KPS Global today, we're partnering with our retail customers to ultimately help them work through and navigate the complicated waters that they're facing when it comes to online ordering and store pickup or curbside pickup.
Consumers are pushing our retail customers to change the way that they do business. With these changing consumer needs, our customers have to meet their demand for refrigerated and frozen products. At KPS Global, we're the experts when it comes to refrigerated and frozen perishable goods storage. We're working with our customers along with other non-traditional partners to meet their changing consumer needs. Some of those are very sophisticated, including robotics, to the very simple click and collect where they're storing the customer's groceries in a back room in one of our walk-ins and they simply drive up and have it delivered to their car. We're able to offer complete turnkey offering to our customers. We do all the engineering, we do the manufacturing of the product, we'll deliver the product, we will install the product, and we will service the product for our customers.
Many retailers do not know what the first step to take is when implementing an online grocery program as it relates to cold storage. So the first step is to understand there's no right or wrong answer at this particular stage. What we've been working on is making sure that from small mom and pops all the way up to the giant big box retailers that there's opportunity across the board for each group. There's ways to do this effectively, efficiently. So there is a very broad spectrum when it comes to online fulfillment opportunities. And then you can take that a step further where there are customers that are actually putting automated facilities right in the back room of their markets. There's also customers that are opening up their own online fulfillment facilities that are completely off-site. And that's the fun part of this is we don't know where this is ultimately going to end up. Not only can we work directly with our traditional customers, but we're having the opportunity to partner up with new folks that are in this business that are driving these new technologies. So at one end of the spectrum, you have fully automated picking facilities. The reality is that there is not a one-size-fits-all. KPS Global is now further involved in the design side simply because putting our products with the technology for customers that have never integrated any of these aspects is a totally new endeavor. So we have to collaborate, work together, find the best way to not only build the product, but install the product properly that fits specific customer needs.
So KPS Global fits in a number of different ways into these storage solutions. Number one, our product is very flexible. We can span large distances. Our product is both indoors and outdoors. So ultimately, we're able to meet the flexibility needs that a retailer has when rolling out these programs. Today, we're seeing many of our retailers attack this online ordering and curbside pickup in a number of different ways, all the way from a very, very basic walk-in cooler or freezer that they might have at the front of the store to extraordinarily sophisticated storage systems that are now introducing robotics inside of those walk-in coolers and freezers. KPS Global fits in very nicely, whether it's a retailer attempting to have a small walk-in box at the front of the stores. We have the ability to scale up very, very rapidly if a retailer wants to roll out a program across their store footprint because of the fact that we have 5 manufacturing locations across the United States. And so ultimately we have the capacity to be able to meet demand, but additionally have the ability to help them roll these programs out very, very quickly